One of those key elements is the hair growth patterns that determine a brow's spine. You will notice the hairs along the upper brow line frequently grow in the opposite direction as the hairs along the lower brow line. Where these two hair growth patterns meet is the darkest part of the brow and is called the spine. The spine will occur in one of 5 places on the brow and is identified according to the brow mapping numbers. Identifying the spine is how an artist knows which strokes will be made in a downward direction and which will be made in an upward direction. The first brow image demonstrates the hair growth pattern for a number 2 spine. Notice the hairs on the upper brow line grow downward in the opposite direction of the hairs in the lower brow that grow upward. Where they meet is where you will find the spine. This brow demonstrates hair growth patterns for spine number 5. You will find number 5 spines most often on straight brows. When microblading, spine number 5 brows will have more downward strokes than any other brow. Spine number 6 is very similar to number 5, with the difference being that the spine is slightly closer to the tail. Spine number 3 frequently occurs on an angled brow. Of all the spines, number 3 has the most balance of upward and downward strokes, beginning in the body through the tail. An upper spine is when all hairs grow in the same upward direction and end along the upper brow line, which means there will be no downward strokes made. This spine occurs most often in round brow shapes. Now that you understand brow spines, you can practice identifying them for yourself by observing hair growth patterns on friends and family members.